If you've ever felt like airlines aren't telling you everything, you're not imagining it. Invisible rules are nudging what you book, where you sit, and how much you spend. Most travellers never notice. I did. Before I ran this channel, I worked inside the travel world with airlines and travel agents, and I've seen how the system really works. Today, I'm sharing 5 flight secrets airlines would rather keep quiet. These aren't rumours, they're practical moves that can save you money, space, and stress when you fly. Let's start with where the game really begins. The price you see. Airfares can change based on the point of sale, the country and currency your ticket is sold in. Some airlines and OTA systems show different prices by region, even for the same flight. To reveal those differences, compare prices across a few countries and currencies. Use a VPN to view regional versions, switch currencies, and check both the airline site and a booking tool like trip.com. Savings aren't guaranteed, but they do appear on some routes. Here's a quick fact check. Private or incognito mode doesn't magically lower fares. Prices move for many reasons. What helps is comparing regions and currencies. Here's how you can price check like a pro. First up, open a private window. Turn on your VPN and try a few different relevant countries. From there, compare the airline site with trip.com with regions or currencies toggled. Found a good fare? Here's how you can make it risk-free. If your trip is to, from, or within the US, airlines must either let you cancel within 24 hours for a full refund when you book at least 7 days before departure, or offer a free 24-hour hold before you pay. Use it like this. Find a fare, then book directly with the airline to activate the protection. Keep shopping. If you beat the price within a day, cancel for a full refund and rebook. If that airline offers a 24-hour hold instead, use the hold. With the booking set, let's quietly upgrade your seat experience without paying extra. Seat maps move as flights shuffle. Cancellations, reassignments, even aircraft swaps. About 2 hours before departure, reopen your seat map. New options often appear. Before boarding starts, ask the gate agent politely if any better seats or emptier rows just opened. On flights that aren't full, this simple, well-timed ask can improve your spot without any fees. Seat sorted? Great. Now let's make your bag setup both legal and ridiculously space efficient. The biggest headaches at the gate usually come from bags that are simply too large to be considered a personal item. Stick to each airline's published underseat dimensions and you'll glide through. As of recording, EasyJet allows an underseat bag up to 45 by 36 by 20 centimeters. Ryanair's free small personal bag is 40 by 30 by 20 centimeters, and British Airways lists a small underseat item up to 40 by 30 by 15. Always recheck your airline before you fly. Here's how to pack smarter, not bigger. Use compressible or vacuum bags inside a compliant underseat bag. Same clothes, smaller footprint, still within the rules. I'll link the space-saving bags I use below. Avoid the viral pillowcase full of clothes trick that you've probably seen on Instagram or TikTok. Sometimes it passes, but enforcement is tightening and travellers have been refused or removed over it. If you want stress-free boarding, stay within posted sizes and compress instead. Right, that's your bag sorted. One last move keeps your sanity on board and speeds up your exit. To avoid the bin scramble, bring a real underseat bag so you're not dependent on overheads. Choose seats mid-cabin when you can, and stow your carry-on above your own row so retrieval is fast on landing. That's 5 hidden tricks you can actually use to save money and time on your next trip. On your screen, you'll see a quick recap. If this video helped, give it a like and share it with a friend who keeps paying for extra bags. Everything I mentioned, the VPN, the link to trip.com, and my space-saving vacuum bags is linked below. Don't forget to follow us for more smart, stress-free travel. And if you want more free travel hacks, download the Smart Traveler's Guide. The link is in our bio.